Alright, so from the fireplace, going this way, sorry to go so fast, but I'm running out of memory. That's the archway that leads out to your front door. This will be the dining room. And through here, we come back around. It's the laundry room. And this will be pantry over here. Not much to see, right? And this is the kitchen. This is going to be a nice, big, comfortable kitchen. They have everything in here. They've got the unit for the island in the middle. We did have an island, yeah. And that will be the breakfast area or your casual